Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Math Only. We are continuing with our revision series. In our revision series, chapter 1 we are doing. In that third episode we are continuing. This is related to LCM and HCF. In our first and second episodes, what we done is regarding irrational numbers we done. In this third episode we will be doing questions regarding LCM and HCF. MCQs, SAQs, VSAQs, LAQs, everything we will be covering in this LCM and HCF topic. Okay, in this third episode we will try. If any more problems are there, we will be extending in the fourth episode. Okay, see the first question, what is there on the board? HCF of A comma B is equal to 1. Then LCM we have to. Tell me how to do that one. If HCF is given and LCM we have to. See, if HCF of A comma B is equal to 1, that means A and B are co-primes. Then LCM will be, see here LCM will be, your answer for this will be, LCM will be A into B. Why? Because A and B are co-primes. LCM of co-prime numbers is product of those numbers. That is first question. And second question, see, HCF of A comma B is factor of LCM of A comma B. Is it true or false? If you don't know like that, take any numbers for A and B and you search like that. Take any numbers for A and B and you do, and answer for this is true only. And this is also true. HCF of A comma B is factor of LCM of A comma B. HCF is always a factor of LCM for the given two numbers. If it is factor, it will be dividing those numbers, right? That is the third one which is given. This will be asking for your MCQs or else for assertion and reasoning, that you have to be careful. These are little questions for regarding LCM and HCF for your MCQs and all. See the fourth question what you got. Fourth question what you got is x is there and this is divided into 2y, and again y is divided into 2 and 210. Again 210 is divided into a and 70, and 70 is divided into 2 and 35. 35 again it is prime factorized as 5 and b. Whatever variables is there, that you mark. Whatever variables is there, that you mark. This is one method of finding prime factorization. This is called tree method. Okay. Why I told you prime factorization is, here whatever the numbers you wrote, those are all has to be prime numbers only. If this is the last step, this number also has to be prime. That you have to remember. Now see how I will do, and what they are asking, find A comma B comma X comma Y. These and all values you have to find. How to find these and all values is step by step we will do. See, first we can find B. From down you have to come for finding values for this kind of problems. 35 is given as 5 into B. This implies B is equal to 35 by 5, that is equal to 7. So I got B as 7. Am I clear or not? I got B as 7. Am I clear till here? 35 is written as 5 into B. So B is 35 by 5. I got it as 7. And next see, 210 is written as 70 into A. This implies A is equal to 210 by 70, that is equal to 3. I got A as 3. I got A as 3. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. And next see, Y is written as 2 into 210, that is equal to how much? 420. So I got Y as how much? 420. And next, x is written as 2 into y, that is equal to 2 into 420, that is equal to 840. Therefore x is equal to how much? 840 I got. Like this you have to find x comma y comma a comma b. These are all values. Like this you have to find. Am I clear regarding this? See, if these kind of questions are there, one thing I will be telling you, after getting this, for example, extension of the questions also they will be asking. Extension of the question. Extension. So what is meant by extension of the question? That and all I will tell you. After getting this, they will be asking you to find a plus b or x plus y or x by a into b or y by x. Like this, anything they can ask her. Okay, this and all you have to be careful. After getting a b x y values, you should not conclude that I got everything. You please read the question carefully. In that question, whatever they are asking, that you have to perform. Okay, am I clear regarding this fourth problem? Then see what is fifth problem. HCF of 98, 28, 98, 28. Fifth problem you see. Fifth problem. HCF of 98, 28 is given as M. LCM of 98, 28 is given as M. Okay. Find M minus 7. Find N minus 7M. This you have to find. Find N minus 7M. This you have to find. So whatever they are asking to find, that you keep it aside. First what you have to find to get M and N values, you have to find HCF and LCM for 98 and 28. See how to find HCF. I am finding, see, HCF here we will find, and here also LCM we will find. How we will find HCF and LCM? 98, 28. So 28 is here, 98 is there. Long division I am doing. Long division I am doing. 28 3s. How much? 60, 8 is 24. 84 you will be getting. And 14 is the remainder. Again 28 will come here. 2 is 28. 0. Whenever your remainder is 0, what is the value here? That will be your HCF. So HCF is equal to 14. Then see what is LCM. But HCF is given as what? M. So M is equal to 14. This I got. And LCM for 28 and 98. Try doing cake cutting method fast. 98 and 28 LCM. 2 table 14, 2 table 49, 2 table 7, 2 table it won't go, 7 table 1, 7, 7 table 1, 1. So what is LCM? 2 square into 7 square, that is 4 into 49. 4 into 49 is what? 54 is 200. 200 minus 4 is 196. 196 has to be our LCM. Am I clear? 196 has to be our LCM. And after getting this, LCM is what? LCM is N. So N is equal to 196. And what they are asking, that you see. N minus 7M, that is equal to what is N? 196 minus 7 into 14, that is equal to 196 minus 14. 7 is how much? 70 plus 28, so 98. 196 minus 98 is 98. This has to be our answer. 98 has to be our answer. Wherever you find difficult, in every video I am telling you this one, wherever you find difficult, you please pause the video and check what I have done there, and afterwards, after learning that step and all, you please move forward. Okay, I think I am clear regarding fifth question. You please go through the question. HCF and LCM you have to find. You please go through the question and see what I done. HCF and LCM I found, and that is given as M and N, and that I substituted, and I got my answer as 98. Clear? That is regarding fifth question. And sixth question. LCM of 850 and 500. LCM of 850, 500. LCM of 850 and 500. Try doing everyone. LCM of 850 and 500. From your 7th class, I think, from your 7th class onwards, you are learning how to do LCM, right? So try doing LCM of 850 and 500 and tell me what will be the answer. $850 and 500 LCM you have to do, and comment the answer. What is that? Tell me what will be the answer. See, any methods you can do. Here the best way of doing this is, see, cake cutting method also you can do, but see, 500 prime factorization is little better. See, 5 into 100 I can write, and this I can write it as 5 into, again 100 is 20 into 5, again this I can write it as 5 into 5 into 5 into 4, this I can write it as 5 cube into 2 square, that is 500. 5 cube into 2 square is 500. Clear? And regarding 850 you tell me. For 10 it is 2 into 5, okay? 85 you keep it like that. For 10 it is 2 into 5. If you are getting any difficulty of doing this, this is the best way of doing. 85 into 10 is 850. For 10 I am writing it as 2 into 5. And 85 is there. 5 table how many times? 17 5 is 85, right? So 5 into 17 into 2 into 5. So what I will get? 5 square into 2 power 1 into 17 power 1. This has to be the prime factorization for 850. Clear? Clear or not? 25 2s is 50, 17 50s is 850. Correct. Then see, LCM I want. LCM I want means, what are the bases that and all you write? 2 is one base which is common in both, and 5 is another base which is common in both. And which is the base which is not common also, that you have to write in LCM part. So not common base is 17. And highest power of 2 is 2, and highest power of 5 is 3, and highest power of 17 is 1. This has to be our LCM. 2 cube into 5 square, 2 square into 5 cube into 17. That has to be our LCM. Sir, here you done prime factorization method, there you done cake cutting method. Whatever method you want, that you can do. Here I found zeros and all. That is the reason this method is little good, and this method will get you answer little quickly. So that is the reason I done prime factorization method here. If you are not comfort with prime factorization method, you can go with cake cutting method also. No problem regarding that. Okay. This is regarding 6th question. 7th question. P is equal to 18 into A square into B power 1. Q is equal to 20 into A cube into B square. They are asking to find LCM of P comma Q. They are asking to find LCM of P comma Q. If these kind of questions are given, a mixing of numbers and alphabets, if these kind of questions are given and they are asking to find LCM or HCF, you forgot about alphabets and perform LCM for numbers. So what I will do, LCM of 18 comma 20 is how much? 18, 20, 2 table 9, 10, again 3 table 3, 10, 2 table 3, 5, 3 table 1, 5, 5 table 1, 1. So LCM is 2 square into 3 square into 5. That is equal to how much you will get? 2 square into 3 square into 5 is the LCM. 4 into 9 into 5. 4 into 9 into 5. How much? 5 4s are 20. 9 20s is 180. 180 is the LCM for 18 and 20. 180 is the LCM for 18 and 20. Okay? But we want LCM for P comma Q. How you have to write is 180 what you got that you write multiplied with what are the bases you write. Two bases we are having, one is A and another one is B. If it is not common base also you have to write. Why? Because that is LCM. Two bases we are having, one is A, another one is B. After writing bases, they are asking to find LCM means highest powers you have to take. A is having highest power 3, B is having highest power 2. So my answer for this is 180 A cube B square. My answer for LCM of P comma Q is 180 A cube B square. This has to be the answer. This is regarding 7th problem. This is regarding 7th problem. See, what is definition of prime number? Definition of prime number. A number which is having at most two factors. A number which is having at most two factors. That means highest number of factors a number is having has to be 2. Then only it is called prime number. Right or not? Next question what they are asking is the total number of factors of a prime number is. Next question I am not writing, I am just guiding you. The total number of factors of a prime number is. For a prime number you will be having two factors. Those are 1 and itself. So the total number of factors they are asking means 2 has to be your answer. The total number of factors for a prime number has to be 2. That you have to remember. Least composite number and least prime number. Least composite number, least composite number, least prime number. Least composite number and least prime number. And what they are asking is find the ratio of the HCF and LCM. Find the ratio of HCF by LCM they are asking. HCF by LCM of least composite number and least prime number. What is least composite number? See, go with 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Correct or not? If you go with 2, 2 is prime number and 2 is the least prime number. So least prime number is what? 2. And 3 is again prime number and 4 is composite number. Why? Because 4 is having more than 2 factors. What are factors for 4? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor and 4 is also a factor. If you are having more than 2 factors, then it is called composite number. So least composite number is 4. Am I clear? So HCF by LCM. So what we have to do? HCF of 4, 2 by LCM of 4, 2. Tell me what you will get. HCF of 4, 2. HCF of 4, 2 is 2 and LCM of 4, 2 is how much? 4. If you want, you can perform. You will be getting 1 by 2. Therefore, ratio they are asking. Ratio is 1 is to 2. This has to be the answer. Ratio is 1 is to 2. This has to be the answer. Least composite number, least prime number. HCF by LCM. See, these kind of questions you have to be careful. Why? Because children, while doing little fast, how they will think HCF by LCM means you will be writing LCM by HCF. That all you have to be careful. You please read the question and what they are asking properly you have to analyze. Then only you have to write the answer carefully. Okay. This and all it is clear, right? Regarding question number 8. Question number 8 is also simple, but why I have told you on the board is least composite number and least prime number. That concept is also important. So that is the reason least composite number and least prime number I told you in this question number 8. Clear? Regarding question number 8 it is clear. And question number 9. HCF of 39, 91 is 13. Find LCM. This is, we cannot predict which question will come and all, but this is very important model as far as MCQs or very short answer questions is concerned. This is very important model as far as MCQs and very short answer questions is concerned. HCF and LCM of two numbers. See, product of two numbers is equal to HCF of those two numbers multiplied with LCM of those two numbers. That you have to be careful. That formula you have to learn. That means what you will get? Product of two numbers. 39 into 91. Here it is given 39 and 91 is equal to LCM of 39, 91 into HCF of 39, 91. Like this you have to write. Whatever question is given, this is the formula. 39, 91 LCM, HCF. Everywhere, whatever the question they design in different model or different way, three terms they will be giving. For example, this you take it as first one, this you take it as second, this and all is third, this and all is fourth. So here you will be having in this formula four terms. That means here in this formula you are having four things which we can find or which we have to find or whatever it may be. Okay. But in every question, they will be giving you three terms. Fourth term you have to find or fourth one you have to find. Here what is given? First one is given, second one is given, and see third one is not given and fourth one is given. So you have to find third one. So how to find third one? 39 into 91 by what you know that you bring this side. HCF of 39, 91 is equal to LCM of 39, 91. This you have to. What you have to find? that has to be one side, and whatever you got, those three values has to be on the other side. This implies what you will get. HCF is given 13, 39 into 91 by 13 is equal to LCM of 39 comma 91. 13 will go 3 times here, 91 3s, 273 will be the LCM. LCM of 39 comma 91 is equal to 273. This has to be your answer. This model is very important. Product of two numbers is equal to product of their LCM and HCF. This model is very important for MCQs and very short answer questions. That you have to be careful. You please go through the video. Wherever you find difficult, you please pause the video and check, and afterwards continue with the video. This is regarding question number 9. And see what is question number 10. What is question number 10? Two positive numbers have their HCF as 12 and their product are 6336. The number of pairs possible for the number. See, this is good question. These kind of questions are very good. Very important. Number of possible pairs if they are asking. Number of possible pairs if they are asking, that kind of questions are very important. Two numbers are there. Let the numbers be A and B. HCF of two numbers is given as 12. HCF of two numbers is given as 12. Correct or not? And their product is given as 6336. And their product is given as product of those two numbers A into B is given as 6336. Find what we have to find. What we have to find? Find LCM or find those two numbers, like that they will be asking. Find the number of pairs possible for the numbers. Find number of pairs possible. Number of pairs possible. See, whatever the question it is, if they are asking to find number of pairs possible and all, that kind of questions are very important. See, how to do is, every time when HCF is given, numbers will be of the form. First number A is 12x and second number B is 12y. If HCF is given, numbers can be written like that. First number A is 12x and second number B is 12y. Again here what you have to know is x comma y are co-primes. X comma y are co-primes here. That you have to be careful. X comma y are co-primes. 12x comma B is equal to 12y. Now put here. This implies 12x into 12y is equal to 6336. This implies what I will get? xy is equal to 6336 by 144. What I will get? Tell me. 6336 by 144. xy is equal to. Cancel out and tell me what you will get. Is it cancelling out or not? 144, 6336. 144 tens. Okay. 20s. 144 tens is 1440. Again 1440 is 20. Okay. That means you will be getting 5 times, right? No, 5 times, 4 times you will be getting. 4 times you will be getting, I think, see. What you will get? 0, 16, 1, 17, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 7, 6, 0 I got. Again how much is left? 7 and 3. So here 3, 360, 6, 640, 676 I left. 676 I left means 144. 4 is how much? 4, 4, 16, 1, 4, 4, 16, 17, 1, 4 1s, 4, 5. 576 I got. This I will write, what I will get, we will see. 6 plus 7 is 13, 1. 7 plus 5, 12, 13, 1. 6, 3, 3, 6 I got. So how much I got? X into y I got it as 44. X into y I got it as 44. Am I clear? Calculations you have to do. If it is subject knowledge or if it is any idea in the question or any difficulty is there in the question, that we will tell you. Calculations, that is division only, division you have to do. XY I got it as 144. I already told you X and Y are co-primes, right or not? I already told you X and Y are co-primes. Then tell me what are possible pairs I can design here. If X and Y are co-primes, factors for 44 you write. 1 comma 44 is one pair. And second one is 2 comma 44. Third one is second one is 2 comma 44, not 22 you will be getting. Third one is 4 comma 11. This and all I got. 3 pairs I got. But see, 3 is not the correct answer. Why? Because I told you x comma y has to be co-primes. So 2 and 22 is having 2 as common factor. This has to be eliminated. Therefore, 2 pairs has to be our answer. 2 pairs. Those 2 pairs are 1 comma 44 and 4 comma 11. This has to be our answer. You please be careful regarding number of pairs problems. You please be careful regarding number of pairs problems. Am I clear regarding this? This is regarding problem number 10. You please go through the problem once and check if you find any difficulty that we will do. Problem number 10 completed, right? See, I told you it is very, very important. That means it will be coming in the exam or not, I don't know. But students will make mistake if that kind of question came. That is the reason I told you it is very, very important. If you want to differentiate between you and your friend, you have to be good with what your friend is feeling difficult. That means if difficulty question came in the exam, whoever wrote that question, they only will be getting first mark compared to the others. So that is the reason I given it as very, very important. If difficult question is there for children, that will be very, very important question. See, 11th question is 6 power n or 12 power n anything cannot end with 0. This we have to justify. 6 power n or 12 power n, whatever the question they had given, that is not the matter. 6 power n or 12 power n anything. If it is 6 power n, for that only we will do. If it is 12 power n, for that only we will do. But the logic is same. That is the reason 2 questions I wrote it here. See, first concept I am telling, this no need of writing in your exam. Concept is, if a number has to end with 0, if a number has to end with 0, minimum things, minimum 1 5 1 2, minimum 1 5 and 1 2 has to be there. If a number, any number, if it has to end with 0, minimum 1 5 and 1 2 has to be there. That is, I am talking the number about base. If the power is negative or positive, whatever it may be, we don't want whatever the power is. Okay? I am talking about the base. Concept is, if a number ends with 0, minimum 1 5 and 1 2 has to be there. If you prime factorize 6, you will be having 2 and 3. No 5. If you prime factorize 12 also, you will be getting 2 square into 3. Here also no 5. Correct or not? Here also no 5. There also no 5. Therefore, 6 power n or 12 power n cannot end with 0. Therefore, 6 power n or 12 power n cannot end with 0. See, if in the exam it is given for 2 mark or something, means how to write. See, if a number ends with 0, it should contain minimum 1 2 and 1 5. That you have to write as statement, and after that you write what I wrote. 6 is 2 into 3, no 5 is there, and 12 is 2 square into 3, no 5 is there. Therefore, 6 power n or 12 power n cannot end with 0. Clear? This you have to. This is another good topic. Prime factorization of 385 is given. And next question, see 12th question. Prime factorization of 385. You please do this problem, and in comment section you please comment the answer with the question number. 12th question answer is this much. Like that you comment. Okay, this is regarding prime factorization. It is very easy. That is the reason I am not telling you. And next question also, finding HCF and LCM. Numbers are given as 12, 21 and 15. You have to find HCF and you have to find LCM. This you have to find. You have to find HCF and you have to find LCM. This you have to find. Two numbers finding HCF and LCM you are comfortable, right? For three numbers finding and all, this I will be telling you little fast. See, for three numbers finding also, LCM will be easy, that you will be doing by cake cutting method. How to do HCF? That I will tell you, Seema. How to do HCF? That I will be telling you. See, LCM you will be doing by cake cutting method. That means LCM, this is the method of doing. How you will do? 12, 21, 15. This way you will do. Right or not? That also I will tell you. See, LCM, 3 table, 3 4s are, 3 7s are, 3 5s are. 2 table, 2, 7, 7, 5. 1 7 5, 1 7 1. So what is my LCM? 2 I got 2 times, 3 I got 1 time, 5 I got 1 time, 7 I got 1 time. This is my LCM. Am I clear? And for 3 numbers, how to find HCF? That means long division of finding HCF for 3 numbers also I will tell you. See, 12, 21, 15. See here, small numbers only is there. You won't get any trouble. If bigger numbers are there, you have to find HCF for 3 numbers. Means you please check which 2 numbers are little close. Comparatively, which 2 numbers are little close, that you have to check. Here also you see 12 and 15 are little close compared to 21. So take 12 and 15. 12, 15, 12 ones are 12, 3 is left, 12 is there, 3 4s are 12, what you got? 0. So 3 is the HCF for 12 and 15, not for all. 3 is the HCF for 12 and 15. Now we have to do for 3, answer what you got, and what is the number left? 3 and 21. 3 sevens are 21. 0. So 3 will be your HCF. Like this you have to do. 3 will be your HCF. Am I clear or not? See, wherever you find difficult, you please pause the video and check what I done, and afterwards you please go through with the video. I hope you learn something from my revision series of episode 3 of chapter 1. If you learn something from this video, you please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button, and please like the video. And if any comments are there, if anywhere I done wrong, or if anywhere something good has to be happen, sir, if you do like this, this is better, or any suggestions is there, this and all you can tell me. And I told you for 12th and 13th answers also I want. So please comment with the answers for 12th and 13th problems. 13th problem I already done, sorry. 12th problem, prime factorization of 385. That you have to. I hope you learn something from this video. Thank you everyone.